Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your electric scooter powers up normally but refuses to move when you try to ride it, don't panic because this issue is more common than many riders realize. An electric scooter can turn on yet remain stationary because of throttle problems, safety lock features, low battery output, controller glitches, or connection issues. Fortunately, this situation doesn't always mean that the motor has failed. In many cases, a few simple troubleshooting steps can help restore movement and get your electric scooter running properly again. Before replacing expensive parts, it's worth checking several common causes first. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy methods that may help fix an electric scooter that turns on but doesn't move. Try these. Step 1. Confirm that the electric scooter battery has enough power for operation. Step 2. Turn the electric scooter off and restart it to clear temporary errors. Step 3. Check the throttle on the electric scooter and make sure it moves freely. Step 4. Inspect visible wiring connections connected to the electric scooter system. Step 5. Review any settings or riding modes active on the electric scooter. Step 6. Test the electric scooter and verify that it accelerates and moves normally again.